In this video we're doing a trip to Great Barrier Island, which is a short flight from Auckland City. This is the international airport in Auckland City, New Zealand, and fly out in this tiny little plane. It's a really scenic flight over. You'll see the top of Coromandel Peninsula, and I'll just put a few names up of the places that we see. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to the barrier. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that scenic flight from Auckland to Great Barrier Island. In this video we're looking at great scenery on the island, beaches, seascapes. We see some dolphins and numerous birds. This is a banded rail. This is a tui. The tui and the kaka is the larger parrot. We're fighting over these flax flowers, or the nectar in these flax flowers, the entire time we were there. We were there for 4 days, and there was a constant competition and fighting between these species, kaka and tui. You'll hear the tui birds cry shortly. Just yeah, real good fun. This is day 2 of our little adventure, and great little spot at the beach. Went for a walk up the beach to see the Wairarapa graves from a sunken shipwreck. This is a little oyster catcher, many of them, just adds to the bird life that I saw. If you're interested, have a Google search for the information regarding this shipwreck. I think it was about 130 people lost their lives from total of about 250 on board, so yeah, a tragic event. This is a Rama, which is a Christian camp that I've stayed at, and in fact Ali and I spent New Year's 2000 there, seeing the new year in at a camp that we volunteered for. There's the beach there. Here's a question, my friend. Is this a houseboat or a floating house? So this is at Fitzroy, and that's looking back to where we were, the same beach we were before. What do you reckon, honey?
Great spot. Carrots. Look at the orange wings. 1, 2, 3.
I got 3 all in one shot.
Yeah, and the one,
There's one down below.
one down below.
Wow.
It seemed as though the tui would go to bed early, the kaka would stay up late and get the last of the nectar for the day. Then they'd eventually go back to bed, and in the morning, battle was on again. So another day and another little drive. We went up to Whangaparapara this day, and among other places which I'll point out later. But it was actually coincidentally that Phil, my father-in-law, bumped into the old golfer on the island, and amazingly here we've seen a dolphin as well. The local guy, the golfer, said that he's seen orca, lots of dolphins in this bay, and he's been there for years, but he sees them regularly. But beautiful little bay. There was a walk on the other side that we didn't get to do because of the tide was too far in. Tree. It is worth noting that if you are planning to go to Great Barrier Island and you're going to self-drive, the roads are narrow, twisty, many blind corners and often unsealed, so yeah, if you haven't driven on those kinds of roads before, it's a bit of a shock, but I mean, I'm used to it. I've driven plenty of those roads. This is a magnificent Puhutakawa tree that has unfortunately fallen, but a magnificent beach. This is Blind Bay Beach, I think. Another kauri. this is our final evening on the island, and we just went for a little walk while we were waiting for our takeaways. Beautiful clematis there with the, that's the white and yellow one. The yellow flower is the kowhai. And next shot, that's the lodge that we were staying at from the other side of the bay. So yeah, brought the weekend to a close, and it was a great time. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed the weekend away. It was a long weekend with my in-laws, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel, and thanks for watching to the end. So just a few finishing shots of the scenery on the way home. It was a bit bumpy on the way home actually.